Hello everyone, I am back with a new video in room 322. I am PD with you. Today we learn how to use copy command in AutoCAD. We generally use copy command, but there are more copy command like ncopy, copy with array. So let's go, we learn how to use those commands. First we try copy command, copy. This is copy, select object, space. AutoCAD is asking for a specific base point. Click. Now we can copy it. This is basic copy command. If we type copy, here we get copy mode. Our copy mode default value is 0, but we can apply it 1. If you change the value to 1, you can copy any object for one time. Suppose copy, select object, the base point. I am copying it here. Look, I can copy this object for only one time. But if you change the value to 0, which is default value, then you can copy any object multiple times. This is copy mode. Now we try copy M. Copy M. AutoCAD is asking for select object, space. Now AutoCAD is asking for base point. Now you find here repeat, divide, measure, array. So if you go for divide, just click divide, select division ending point, suppose here, number of copies 5, enter. Here we get 5 copy of this object. Again try copy M, select object, base point. Now we go for repeat. Here you can see you can copy this object in x-axis and again y-axis and again x. So you can repeatedly copy this object in any reference. But in general copy command, you can only copy it from the base point reference. But in copy M command, you can get repeat mode and you can repeatedly copy it in X or Y direction. Now we again go for copy M, select object, click for base point. Now you get measure, select measuring ending point, click here, distance between copies, you can see 50 feet. 25 feet, 50 feet, measure 100 feet, 100 feet. Now we again go for copy M, select object, click for base point. Now we go for measure. So AutoCAD is asking for select measure ending point. We will click here, distance between copies, input a value like 50 feet. So guys, you copy this object in distance 50 feet. Now we again go for copy M, select object, click for base point reference, click array, pick dynamic measure divide pick. So we pick specify angle 15, specify other corner of point here, now we try copy clip command. Copy clip, AutoCAD is asking for select objects, so we select object. Okay, now we command Control V. Now here you see we have paste option according to this point. In copy clip command you can paste an object in a base point reference point, but it's only for single time. If you want multiple time copy, you can go for copy paste command. Copy paste command is copy copy base. So click for a base point. Now we can paste it. Control V, again Control V, again Control V. So you can paste it multiple times. So copy clip command is for single time, but if you want to paste it multiple time, you will go for copy base. You can use keyboard shortcut command for copy base. Select object, Control Shift C, then Control V. You can paste one drawing to another drawing in base point reference. Suppose I want to copy this column in this floor plan, so I will select these columns. You can select it by isolating this layer. I am selecting manually. Click Control Shift C. Now specify a base point. Now click Control V. Okay. So you get these columns in a base point reference. If you want to paste these columns as a block, then you will go for Control Shift V. Control Shift V. Then you will find objects in a block. So Control Shift C for base point copy, Control V to paste according to base point, and Ctrl Shift V to paste according to base point as a block object. Now we try copy to layer. Suppose this rectangle is in line layer. We copy this text in use new text layer. So we copy this text between this rectangle, but we want to copy this text in line layer. So we go for copy to layer. Select object. Now AutoCAD is asking for destination layer or select object. So we select object, this layer. Now you can see your text turned into this layer. Now you can specify base point here and copy this object here. Now we can see your text is copied from this rectangle to this rectangle, and text layer has already changed to line layer. So you can copy any object to another layer by copy to layer command. Now we go for encopy. Encopy is a command from which you can copy an object inside a block and paste it outside this block, outside the block. You can double click a block, go to block editor, then copy this by copy base command, then you can paste it outside the block, but it will take time. But if you use encopy command, you can easily copy objects from block, select nested objects. Suppose I copy this, okay, space, specify base point. Look, this is a block and we copy this object from inside the block to outside. So this is encopy. Copy with array. Now we try copy with array. Suppose this is a car plugins. We copy it with array command. So first select this object, command copy. Now click for a base point. Now command A space. Here you get array command. Enter number of items to array. Suppose I want to copy it by 8 times. So I enter 8. Now AutoCAD is asking for second point. So I want to copy it in 8 feet. So 8 feet space. Now you see you have copied this object as array. This is copy with array. So everyone, if you like my video, please press the like button. If you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. If you have any questions, comments box is open for you. Please let me know, I will try to solve. So everyone, keep watching Room322, keep practicing, enhance your skills. I will be back very soon with a new video. Bye bye.